So I'm going to take this clear bowl container. It comes in cleared. I used it before, that's why it's spray paint. Then I'm going to use the small one as well. I'm going to spray paint it in gold. And then I'm going to put it upside down like that. And I'm going to take my hot glue and a piece of fluorofoam, and I'm going to attach it to the middle of the bowl like that. And then I'm going to take a little tree, like a little branch, and place it in the middle like that. Then go ahead and take a small little branch in white. And then I'm going to, you see how you can see the fluorofoam, so I didn't want that part to show. So I'm going to put the little branch all the way around this one, attach it into place until you go all the way around so it won't show. Then grab another flower and place it on top, and then take these clear containers that they have in Dollar Tree and place your first little branch inside, and then the other flowers, and then the next one. So you're gonna do this until you put the whole flower inside the little container. Once you're doing with that, you're gonna use your hot glue to attach it into place, but make sure to use E6000 for better attachment. I'm using the glue just for the video. Then let's not forget to place the big bowl, attach it to the clear glass, and then take some fluorofoam and attach it to the middle of the container. Then you're going to take a few branches and you're going to place it inside. So you're going to continue doing that until you place all the way around it. And let's not forget to put your flower inside as well. Then after you do the whole thing all the way around it, you could also use one of these little sticks to attach the flower into place if you don't have the little thing to attach it to the branch. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. I think this came out so beautiful, and it would look so great on any table decorations. I loved how the white flowers is in the clear vase in the middle. You can also spray paint it all the way in gold if you don't want to show the part of the flower. So this is the first idea. So now for the second idea, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So I'm going to put some rocks inside because I want it to be stable and put some weight in it. So I'm going to put enough rocks. I'm going to put a few more. And then after I put a few, I'm going to spread it out. Then I'm going to take this candelabra. And for this one, if you want to purchase it, I will put it down below in the description box. So I'm going to place it inside here. You could put like double-sided tape all the way around it to attach it better. And then I'm going to put a few rocks inside, and then I'm going to put it in the side, in the corner. Just don't put it in the middle, put it in the side. Then I'm going to take my branches and place it inside. Like I have nothing to hold the flowers. I'm going to put some tape, and I'm going to attach it with tape because I don't want to mess up my candle holder with any glue or any attachment. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the flower, all the branches of the flower all the way around it. I'm also in the middle, I'm gonna put a little bit few branches, greenery, just so it won't look as empty like that. And then after that, I'm gonna also put more flower all the way around it. You can attach the flower with hot glue with a greenery. I'm gonna put a few more little to decorate it, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is how it look. I'm showing you without the candle. I only have the big candle, but you could also use the smaller candle that they have, or you could use the big one. So this is how it turns out without the big candle. I'm just giving you different ideas so you guys can see how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think this will look such a great in any wedding decorations or any party decorations. Now I'm gonna show you with a candle. So this is how beautiful it turns out with a candle, you guys. I think this in a wedding on a table with the chairs and the candle inside, you could put a little for more centerpieces, and I think it would turn out so beautiful. I love how this one turns out, and I hope you guys do. Please let me know which one is your favorite, #1 or this one, #2. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to share, comment down below, letting me know what you guys think of this DIY, and I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.